Have you ever wondered which countries are the most financially literate? Does financial literacy help them become wealthy, or are they still poor? Is the United States on this list? Let's explore and deep dive into the world of financial literacy and highlighting the top 10 countries that excel in this crucial area. Financial literacy is more than just understanding how money works. It's about making informed decisions regarding budgeting, investing, saving, and managing debt. A financially literate population is vital for the economic health of a country. So, without further ado, let's explore which nations lead the way in financial knowledge and acumen, along with their respective financial literacy rates. 10th. Australia, 64%. Australia kicks off our list at number 10 with a financial literacy rate of 64%. The country is known for its robust financial education programs and resources. The Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, runs initiatives aimed at improving financial literacy among all age groups. The Money Smart program is a prime example, providing comprehensive online tools and information to help people make sound financial decisions. Australians are encouraged to understand superannuation, retirement savings, investments, and property markets, ensuring they are well prepared for the future. 9th. Germany, 66%. Germany is well known for its strong economy and disciplined financial practices, reflected in its financial literacy rate of 66%. The German education system includes comprehensive financial education, and the country has numerous non-profit organizations dedicated to improving financial literacy among adults. Germans are typically well-versed in saving, investing, and managing credit, which contributes to their overall financial stability and economic resilience. 8th. United Kingdom, 67%. The United Kingdom has made significant strides in promoting financial literacy, reflected in its literacy rate of 67%. The Money and Pension Service MAPS leads efforts to improve financial literacy across the country, offering resources and tools to help people manage their money. The UK education system also includes financial education as part of the national curriculum, ensuring that students learn essential money management skills. Additionally, numerous charities and nonprofits work to improve financial literacy among vulnerable groups, further enhancing the country's overall financial knowledge. 7th. Canada, 68%. Canada ranks 7th with a financial literacy rate of 68%, demonstrating a strong focus on financial education and consumer protection. The Financial Consumer Agency of Canada, FCAC, actively promotes financial literacy through various programs and resources. Canadian schools incorporate financial education into their curriculums, teaching students essential skills like budgeting, investing, and understanding credit. Additionally, Canadians have access to free financial planning services, which help them navigate complex financial landscapes. 6th. Netherlands, 70%. The Netherlands secures the 6th spot on our list with a financial literacy rate of 70%, thanks to its proactive approach to financial education. Dutch schools include financial literacy in their curriculums, teaching students about budgeting, savings, and investments from an early age. The Dutch government also supports various initiatives aimed at improving financial literacy among adults, including the National Money Week, which raises awareness and educates people about financial matters. This focus on education ensures that Dutch citizens are well-equipped to manage their finances effectively. 5th. Sweden, 71%. Sweden follows 5th with a financial literacy rate of 71%. This Scandinavian country boasts a strong educational system that integrates financial education from an early age. Swedish schools emphasize practical financial skills, such as budgeting and understanding loans, which equip students with the knowledge they need to manage their finances effectively. Moreover, Sweden's culture of transparency and consumer protection policies further enhance its citizens' financial literacy. The country's extensive welfare system also means that citizens are generally well-informed about taxes, savings, and investments. 4th. Japan, 71%. Japan places a high value on education, and financial literacy is no exception, boasting a literacy rate of 71%. The country has implemented nationwide financial education programs, particularly focusing on younger generations. The Bank of Japan and the Japan Financial Services Agency work together to promote financial education, ensuring that citizens understand the basics of personal finance, such as savings, investments, and debt management. Despite the challenges posed by an aging population, Japan's commitment to financial literacy remains strong. Third, Norway, 71%. Norway is renowned for its high standard of living and strong social welfare system, which includes a focus on financial literacy, boasting a rate of 71%. Norwegian schools incorporate financial education into their curriculums, teaching students about budgeting, savings, and investments. The government also supports various initiatives aimed at improving financial literacy among adults, ensuring that citizens are well informed about personal finance. Norway's emphasis on education and social welfare helps create a financially literate and economically stable population. Second, Finland, 71%. Finland ranks second with a financial literacy rate of 71%, demonstrating a strong emphasis on financial education and consumer protection. Finnish schools integrate financial literacy into their curriculums, teaching students essential skills like budgeting, saving, and investing. The Finnish government also supports various initiatives aimed at improving financial literacy among adults, including the National Consumer Agency, which provides resources and information to help people make informed financial decisions. Finland's commitment to education and consumer protection ensures that its citizens are well prepared to manage their finances effectively. First, Switzerland, 72%. Topping our list is Switzerland with a financial literacy rate of 72%, a country renowned for its financial acumen and stability. Swiss citizens benefit from a comprehensive financial education system that begins in schools and continues throughout their lives. The Swiss government and financial institutions work together to promote financial literacy, offering resources and tools to help people make sound financial decisions. Switzerland's strong economy, stable banking system, and emphasis on education create an environment where financial literacy can thrive. Honorable mention, United States, 57%. While the United States doesn't make the top 10, it is worth mentioning due to its significant efforts in improving financial literacy, with a literacy rate of 57%. The U.S. has numerous organizations and initiatives aimed at promoting financial education, including the Financial Literacy and Education Commission, which coordinates efforts across federal agencies. American schools are increasingly incorporating financial education into their curriculums, teaching students essential skills like budgeting, saving, and investing. And there you have it, the top 10 most financially literate countries in the world, plus an honorable mention for the United States. These nations have shown a strong commitment to financial education and consumer protection, ensuring that their citizens are well equipped to manage their finances effectively. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that impacts every aspect of life, from personal well-being to the overall health of an economy. By investing in financial education, these countries are setting their citizens up for success and stability in an increasingly complex financial world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of financial literacy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts on financial literacy in your country and any experiences you've had with financial education.